So y'all know my boiler stopped working. I called this guy, but he didn't answer. Might be because it's weekend, so I have to wait till Monday. So I have one space heater here in the living room, and I went to put another one there in the kitchen section, and it's making this snack crap go pop sound. Do y'all know what this means? Does this mean it's gonna catch on fire? Is this safe for me to use? Help a sister out. Does that mean it's heating up maybe? This other one that I have doesn't do that. It's a different brand or mark, but I don't know why this is doing this. So let me know. Help me out.